this or that, where I review taste, nutrition, and cost on 2 popular choices. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna try Yoplait. It's good. Next, I'm gonna try Noosa yogurt. Yummylicious. For taste, my opinion, it goes to Noosa. It's yummylicious. The approximate nutritional value for Noosa 8 ounces is 270 calories, 11 grams of protein, 33 grams of carbs, and 32 grams of sugar. The glycemic index, low to moderate. Yoplait, approximate nutritional value, 6 ounces, calories, 140, 5 grams of protein, 27 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of sugar. The glycemic index, low because it releases glucose relatively slowly. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Based on the nutrition info, Yoplait is the healthier choice if you're watching calories, sugar, and carbs, especially important for blood sugar control and weight management. According to my continuous glucose monitor, they both kept my blood sugars in control. That's my personal experience, and you will find links to those videos in the description. Noosa, 8 ounces, $2.50. Yoplait, 6 ounces, 79 cents. This one is obvious. Yoplait takes number 1 in the cost category. Overall, based on the 3 categories, taste, Noosa was my yummylicious winner. Second, nutrition, based on the label and what you're looking for, Yoplait. And third, cost. It clearly went to Yoplait. So Yoplait is the winner.